What the fuck? This is broken. Nahi follow, nahi subscribe. Hi beauties, this is me Nidhi and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go subscribe right now and watch my other videos as well. And if you're not following me on Instagram, then this is my handler. You can go and follow me there as well. For today's video, I have a very special topic, which is silver jewelry. I'm obsessed with them. I would prefer silver jewelry over golden ones, but it totally depends on the outfit. But मुझे बहुत पसंद है silver jewelry. If you give me two options to wear, I'll choose silver jewelry over golden one. So yeah, so I'm gonna talk about that today because that is really close to my heart and I wanted to share with you all. So that's why I'm here with this topic. And sometimes I like to mix my jewelry, like silver and golden both. Like today you can see me wearing this one is golden, then I have green beads with some golden detailing, and then this is silver, this is golden, and my hand is full of silver jewelry. So yeah, you see my obsession already. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so today's video I have divided into 3 sections, like necklace and earrings and some bracelet or bangles. So I have everything with me right here. This is just one basket. I have another one also, and then I have a box full of jewelry. So yeah, let's get started. So this is my collection. I have built it over the time, but there is nothing I can link for you guys. So क्योंकि ये सारा कुछ मैंने local market से लिया हुआ है. Before I used to live in Delhi, now I am in Bangalore. So मेरे पुराने जितने भी पीसेस हैं मैंने दिल्ली हाट, जनपथ एंड सरोजनी, लाजपत नगर यहाँ से कलेक्ट किया हुआ है and I am still wearing those pieces. So mostly वहाँ से हैं and then I'm living in Bangalore currently, so I have very less sources for silver jewelry, but really good. So I'll mention if I have some detail for them. So yeah, चलो शुरू करते हैं. अभी भी जब मुझे जाने का मौका मिलता है दिल्ली, तो आई मेक श्योर कि मैं अपने फेवरेट प्लेसेस में जरूर जाऊँ, जो कि हैं सरोजनी, दिल्ली हाट एंड लाजपत नगर एंड जनपथ. So I go to these places for silver jewelry shopping and thrifting. So yeah, let's start. So this is the first piece which I have. It's very old. I think most probably 2015 or 16 में लिया था मैंने. When I was working in Haas Khas, तो वहाँ पे एक shop थी. It was very pretty. So if you can see, it's a very pretty neck piece, black and silver. It's a very old piece. And for the next piece, I have this very pretty. It gives me thoda Rajasthani wala, Gujarati wala feel because of the fabric. There is very pretty embroidery both the sides. Some mirror work is also going on. Some pom-poms, and it's very colorful and pretty. And these pieces you can wear with your western clothes, like your white t-shirt or black t-shirt with some jutti and all, and you're good to go. Okay, next I have a choker, which was, I think, बीच में काफ़ी famous हुआ था. It was very pretty viral. तो उस टाइम पे मैंने खरीदा था, which is this one. I'm pretty sure you must have seen on internet somewhere. It's really trending in at some point, तो I think आप सबने देखा होगा. So this choker. Okay, and आज के वीडियो में बहुत सारा छन छन सुनने वाले हो आप, तो be prepared. Next I have this long neck chain neck piece. ये मैंने यही लोकल ऐसी रेड लाइट पे, एक तो लेडी वॉज स्टैंडिंग देयर विद अ थड़ी, और उसमें उसने लगा रखा था, लाइक इट वाज सो प्रिटी, तो मैंने ये ले लिया. एंड इट वाज अराउंड फॉर लाइक 250 or 200 if I'm not wrong. It was around this much only. So for 200 I think it's a very good price. इसमें थोड़ा सा मिरर वर्क है, like red and green mirror work and some ghungroos. It's very pretty. And next one I have from Fab India. Even they have really good silver jewelry pieces. So they give you in this potly. I got only one necklace from them, but it's very pretty and it was on sale that time, I think. Yeah, it looks very nice. It has some green and pink thread work and with some silver. I don't know इसको क्या बोलते हैं, but this is silver and this is some pink. So I really like it. It has a little bit color to it, like with the pink thread. तो ये बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है ऐसे पहनने में. Okay, rest all my necklaces are from a very special store in Bangalore. So in Bangalore, one day I was visiting Chitrakala Parisar, which is very famous for artisan shop and all. जैसे दिल्ली में दिल्ली हाट है, वैसे यहाँ पे चित्रकला परिषद है. तो if you go there, you will find lots of stalls like with silver jewelry and handcrafted clothes and everything, like prints and some decor items as well. So I went there one time and I found a very good shop there and उनसे मैंने बहुत सारे pieces लिए हैं. He was actually very sweet. He gave like nice pricing and everything. So I have a lot of pieces from him. So by the time, I think I have visited only 2 times and I got like quite decent pieces. I have a really good collection now. Okay, so first I have this neck piece. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Like look at this. All the Afghani jewelries I have from him only. I'll mention the page from Instagram so you can go and check him out. And if you want to, if you are in Bangalore, then you can visit also. And he has such pretty jewelries. Like look at this one with coins and ghungroos and some bright threads. I love it. I love it so much. And you just wear it and it looks so pretty. And then next up, from the same shop, I have this neck piece also. It's very pretty, pink and blue thread and some silver ghungroo. And if you know these are very old style. I think गाँव वगैरह की जो ladies होती थी ना, वो use करती थी. So this one for their teeth, it was like toothpick, and this was for the ear, like earbud का काम करते थे ये दोनों. So it has that antique thing, and yeah, it's so pretty. And next, from the same shop, I have another piece. It's a very big piece, and this is the piece. I love it so much. See how colorful this is. There is beaded embroidery all over the strap, and here also you'll get 2-3 dangling detail with pom-poms and some big chunky silver lockets. So yeah, this is it. This was also very pretty, and I think for this one I paid 1,000 or 1,100 or something like this. I don't remember it, but it was little expensive, but I think it worth every penny you spend on it. For packing, I keep them in like separate pouches always, so they don't get dust or anything like that. So all my pieces are like this. और एक और piece है मेरे पास जो कि same shop से है. This is also very big. Okay, by now I think you know my obsession with silver jewelry. Okay, the next up we have this one. This is really pretty. This just one neck piece can do the whole job, and your outfit can go from here to here. This is really pretty. It has like these coins with some colored bead inside, and then we have chunky locket, and it's not that heavy also. It's very light, but it's very pretty. And next one also from the same shop. I think he spoiled me so much with such good stuff. Go see, look at this one. It has coins and kangaroos and this chant shaped locket with lots of kangaroos and coins. It's lovely. So pretty. You can wear just one. And I thank God that I found him, for like this is treasure for me. Every time I want some Afghani jewelry or something like that, I go to him only. अभी मैं बहुत टाइम से नहीं गई हूँ. He keeps messaging me on Instagram to visit his store, but I don't have time since I have this back issue also, so I'm not traveling a lot. तो मैं घर पर ही हूँ अभी. I'm not going anywhere. I have another one from the same shop, and it's this colorful beaded strings with the tabiz kind of locket. It's so cute and pretty. It's very pretty, like so much color going on. Like if you're wearing simple outfit like black or white, you can definitely use these kind of colorful accessories. If you're wearing a dhoti pant or something like that, these anklets are so good. Like ये पहले के ज़माने में औरतें पहनती थी, गांव की औरतें पहनती थी with some जुत्ती and all. They used to look very cute. I think some Rajasthani people are still wearing these anklets. I don't know उनको क्या बोलते हैं, but it's so pretty. So I got these, and then I have two more anklets actually. These are from Delhi, I think. Yeah, I think ये मैंने Delhi हाट से लिए थे. There are 3 anklets. This is a little thinner one, and then I have these 2. I got it in pair. So yeah, I have this. And there is one more place in Bangalore जहाँ पे exhibitions होते रहते हैं ऐसे artisans वाले. तो you can go and check them out. जो local states के artisans होते हैं वो आते हैं और अपना stall लगाते हैं. तो this is from them. I think I have followed them on Instagram. So I'll mention the page if I'm not wrong. तो ये मैंने वहाँ से लिया था. And this was for 1200 rupees. It's very choker. I think ये t-shirts के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And then I have this one also. This I got recently from a store in Bangalore. I went to the mall nearby and there was one store called Happy Soap, and I got these pieces. So it was for 399 rupees only. And I got 2 colors in this one. This one is green and I got one more in yellow color. So I think this is really good option for layering, if you can see. So if you want to add a little bit color to your silver jewelry or golden jewelry, I think you can definitely add some color with this. Okay, so these are my all necklaces. Let's move on to the earrings. Okay, so for earrings, I have very less pieces. Like I can't show you each and every piece, but I'll show you my favorite ones. So in earrings, I love chunky like jhumkas or like heavy earrings in silver jewelry. So I'll show you what I have in my plate. So first up, I would like to mention these jhumkas. Like you can see the size, how big this is. And it looks really pretty with Indian or Indo-Western clothes also, because they are big and they are super light, like you can't feel it. ये भी मैंने ऐसे red light पे मुझे एक lady दिखी थी. She was having lots of silver jewelries, like good earrings and necklaces, so I got it from there in Koramangala. If you find the lady there, go check it out, because it was very rare. I saw her once and then I was thinking, okay, next time when I see her, I will definitely go, because it was red light, so I was in rush. So Next time I was waiting for her to show up, but I caught her like very rarely. So that time I got it. I got so many pieces that time. And from her only I got these earrings. These are so pretty. Like I have wore them in Instagram. Like look at this. This is green, yellowish green and blue color earring. They are so cute and they are big as well. And mostly I think I have all the jhumkas because I love jhumkas. Instead of chand bali or danglers, I wear jhumka mostly. तो मेरे पास झुमके बहुत हैं. I'll show you few of them. This is also one piece. This is also very pretty green and red color. It's very rusty silver. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? German silver बोलते हैं I think. So yeah, this is that and it's very pretty. बस ये है कि बैंगलोर में compared to Delhi, it's a little expensive. Like this one I got for 250 I think, which I think दिल्ली में मुझे इससे चीप में मिल जाता. But since I'm here, I have to deal with it. फिर भी मैंने काफ़ी बार्गेन किया था उससे, तब मुझे वो 250 या 200 में मिला था. एंड जब मैं दिल्ली गई थी, जो लास्ट टाइम जो भी मैं गई थी, जो कि काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है, तब मैंने सरोजनी से लिए थे ये 2 पीसेज आई थिंक. I think 2 या 3 pieces हैं. I'll show you all of them. So this was the piece I got from Sarojini. I think last year I went there. 2 साल हो गए I think. I need to visit Delhi, I know. But yeah, this was really pretty with some mirror work and at the jhumka, and these are also very huge and I love them so much. And the other one I got is a Chand Bali, but I got it because it has this earring stopper wala thing, so that's why I got it. Because Chand Bali में क्या होता है ना, it moves the other side. Like अगर मैंने ऐसे पहना है तो ऐसे घूम जाएगा, then you won't be able to see the front. I don't know क्या system है, like how to wear them, but that's why I hate Chand Balis only. तो मैंने ये इसलिए लिया बिकॉज इसमें यहाँ पे स्टॉपर है एंड यू कैन वेयर इट एज अ डैंगलर. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी प्रिटी. इट्स वेरी बिग एंड कलरफुल. एंड वन मोर पीस फ्रॉम दिल्ली इज दिस वन. दिस वाज ऑल्सो वेरी प्रिटी. दिस वन इज वेरी ओल्ड. लाइक व्हेन आई वाज इन दिल्ली दैट टाइम आई गॉट इट. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी ह्यूज एंड प्रिटी. There are few जो मैंने दिल्ली हाट से लिए थे. I still love them. Like this one, it's very cute. If you want to add color to your outfit, I think these are perfect. These are also very big, but very pretty. And I have these also very pretty piece, which I got from Jawara. This is the only earring I got from him, and these are so pretty. Okay, so I think these are the earrings which I absolutely love. And next I have few rings with me, so I'll show you those rings. First of all, I would like to show these. These are also very pretty. I don't know मैंने कहाँ से ली थी, but मैंने बैंगलोर में ही ली थी. I think this is really pretty. It has घुंघरू, like you can hear. I love the sound of silver jewelry. I got this one from West Side. Yeah, this is also again very pretty. It has pink lotus at the center, if you can see. Yeah, it's very pretty. And next I have this one, this घुंघरू one. I think ये भी काफी trending था उस time पे जब मैंने वो necklace लिया था. I think I bought these 3 pieces all together because it was very trending. So this is another ring, and I have another ring which is very pretty, and I bought it from Delhi Haat as well, which is this coin ring. If you know any page on Instagram or any website, please mention it. I would love to shop from them because I'm still looking for some bracelets and ring because उसका ही collection मेरे पास सबसे कम है. So for the bangles, I have very few options because this is the stack I usually wear, or else I have some bangles from Amazon. So I have these two, the set of bangle. It has maroon brownish shade and some pearls. It's very pretty. I have these bangles, and then I have this bangle set from Amazon. I got it for 350, I think, very cheap. So I think it was for 350 or 400 rupees only. So yeah, I have this, and I have this also. It's very pretty mirror work kada. This is also very cute. So while stacking, I put them all together with some bangles and kadas and everything. I mix and match and make my own creation, and then I wear like this. So these two are also from Delhi Heart, and these ones from Zara. I got it last year, I think. So yeah, this is pretty much it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you like any of the pieces from the collection, or you have any obsession over silver jewelry. Let me know. I would love to know that. Till then, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.